Video of me changing this lower unit oil, gear oil down here in this old motor on this boat. First, make sure you can get the fill hole loose. This is just how I do it. Crack both of these loose. Get you something to catch it in, just an old pan or whatever. See, it's draining really slow. We're gonna take this top out. Make it start running out better. We're gonna let that drain for a little while and then we'll come back and fill it up. Tighten this up. You don't wanna get real tight. That is aluminum. You don't wanna strip it out or nothing. This is what I'm using. I don't know what you're supposed to use, but look it up for your boat, your motor, whatever. Cut the end of it off so I can put it in here like this and just squeeze it all in. Don't fill it up until it's running out of this hole, so try to have it sitting pretty level. So I'm gonna stand here and do this for a minute until it starts running out. I forgot to tell you guys, you do not want to take this screw out. Do not take this side out. That holds a bunch of stuff in line, I think. You just do not want to mess with that. Only this side. Make sure they say, it says oil drain. Okay, and then oil level. Just take those two out, don't mess with the other side.